Hi, I'm Marna, and we're going to announce our two winners. One for the Rainbow High shoe soles that you can craft for your dolls. There are 10 pair here, 10 different colors. How cool is that? And then for the Valentine's Day stands. I have my girls standing in them right now. Wanted to show them off a little bit. I'm going to ask you to do something for me today. Please do not put the winner names in the comments, because sometimes people pull it up and then they go through, oh, I see I didn't win, or so-and-so won, and then that's it. Let us be the ones to say who won the contest. Just say, congratulations to the winner. Don't misunderstand. I love every comment and I try to respond to each one. Without further ado, the winner for the Rainbow High 10 pairs of soles for crafting for your dolls. Now keep in mind, these fit other dolls too, not just the Rainbow High. And the winner is Hobby Man 1923. The winner for our stand, and we are going to send you a longer stick than you see here. I have this cut off for my Blythe dolls to stand on. The hook on the stand will hold different dolls, different smaller dolls. But that's why we're sending the stick long for you to cut yourself to the size you want it for your dolls. And the winner is LAS Doll Collector. The winners need to contact us through email, private email, at marna@dollsrescued.com. Thank you so much for participating. We appreciate every single subscriber, every single comment, and every single like. Please do the same for this video, and now I'm back to cleaning. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescued channel.